Photoshop, I am going to take a new design there. So we will made it from the scratch. So there is a sequence we are going to made here. We will change the scale percentage here, then create the other. So let's keep on making the designs. Here is a shape. We will try to make the designs here. Explore the more and more option. We will generate another design. Here is a further structure. Make another designs here. So these are the shapes. We will explore the more and more option. Add a paint over it. Let's use the razor tool.